So how can you scan a QR code on a Snapseed? Let me explain the whole thing, and if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So, Snapseed is the photo editor which has so many tools and features and stuff, right? And if you perform some changes and you want to actually copy the changes to like a different photo on a different phone, right? You can do the following, right? So as you can see, I'm editing the picture. I'm gonna, change some things like, I'm gonna adjust the whatever brightness, right? I'm gonna hit it done or perform as many changes as I want. And on the main page, in at the top right, when I click the three dots, I can click on the QR look. And when I expand it, I can either scan the QR look or create one. So when I click on create, it will basically take all of the changes which I made to this image, save them, and create them into this QR code. So what I can do right now is that on another iPhone where I also happen to use Snapseed, what I can do is essentially click the three dots, right? Or, open up an image of this sort, click the three dots, tap the QR look, and at this time I'm going to click on a scan. And when I scan it like this, right, you can see that it asks me if I want to apply the same changes which are on that image also to this one. So I'm going to click on apply, and anything that happened to this image, right, will also apply to this one. So that's the whole point. It's like a quick way to move the things, the edits between one device to another, especially if you are like friends and you want to make like the same edits to the pictures. You can use this method to like move the stuff forward. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain. Let me know in the comments below if you liked it. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you later.